Hi guys, today we're doing another video of city car driving. Today I'll be showing you how to install these license plates. These are the default license. Take you for a little ride. This is actual Volvo C30 by the way. This is the smallest Volvo, really tiny these Volvos. It's very slow, this car, guys. This can do 100 miles an hour in third gear. Right guys, now is the time for me to show you how to install English. By the way, a yellow each end of the car, by the way guys. Right guys, now is the time for me to actually show you how to install these. By the way, like I said before, everything in description. I'll search it here. Search city car driving. No, if you don't have to spell that, I mean, I think that's how you spell it. If I'm wrong, sorry. Number. City car driving UK. UKPL, if you don't know how to spell plate. This is it, guys. By the way, it's actually yellow on the front and the back, guys. LZ12, LZ. Yeah, guys. LZ66, LZ12, LZ66. It'll tell you here. By the way, I'm using USA, and that's me installing C30. Click on that download. There is really good mod, by the way, guys. It's not going to ruin your game. Whatever you're using, it'd be under California, United States. It'd be under, and what you do with all that text, you rub the text out. It's pretty easy to explain, but I'll do it as well. Show you. It's called London.xml. Open this text. I'm gonna go and put it into the. You go to your city car driving, wherever you put your city car driving. Go into data, config, license plates, cities, California. And what you do, guys, it's going to be really fun at the end, guys. It's the fun part. What you do is you rub all this text out, delete, and you get this text, copy, and you can just hit the active, hit save. And there you go. That is all installed. It's pretty easy, guys. I know you do after you start your city car driving. That's the last thing you do. Sorry if the recording is a bit laggy. I do have laggy problems with this recordings. Your game should start up alright. Stop the recording, I will continue it and start the game and see how the recording has come out. I don't know if I can get the true USA plates, I don't know. If you live out in the USA, you'll know truly. I'm not really going to say very well, so I don't know if I'm quite true. I really don't know if I'm quite correct. It's an American typing though, yeah. It's a bit of an American number plate. Not everyone knows. They might know, for sure. You heard that? Whatever city you're using, all you do is select your vehicle. Mine's the Volvo C30. Select colour. It's not going to show the number plate there. So, right, I'm going to pause until the game has started. All you need to hit is hit start, and I'll be back when it started. Right, guys, the license plates are installed now after this started the game. So, right, see the good result. Here's the result. You've got yellow number plates back and front. I wish we had white ones at the front. That's good now. We've got some English. You'll probably be watching people playing city car driving, but you're getting like stressed and saying, how do you install it? There's no way of doing it. How do you do it? You can't install cars. But you're actually wrong, you can install more bits. That's what I figured out, guys. Yeah. I didn't watch any videos to do this. I figured this out myself, actually. I figured it myself. It's fast, this is. I like to have these things, like the Evolve, I just love it. License plates, but even the other cars have it, so have a look. Yeah. car flipping, guys. That's quick, that was, guys. I couldn't even run that far. By the way, guys, I do have my traffic turned off, guys. Don't sound nice. I'm not allowed that way. Good for trying, guys. Alright, guys. Please like and subscribe and write that